Date Night, Unveiling the Romance in Everyday English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's all about keeping the spark alive, date night. Whether you've come across it in movies, music, or during conversations, by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how to use it in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, date night, we're looking at two words that are simple on their own, but together, they create a specific concept. A date is an occasion when two people who are in a romantic relationship choose to spend time together. Night, of course, refers to the evening time after the day. When combined, date night is a special evening where a couple plans to do something enjoyable together. It's a time reserved for them to connect, relax, or break the monotony of daily life. This term is commonly used among couples who are in a long-term relationship or married, signifying the importance of dedicating special time for each other. Date night is not just a casual term. It holds significance in maintaining the health and happiness of a relationship. It's an opportunity to focus on each other without the distractions of work, family, or other commitments. This time can be spent going out to dinner, watching a movie, or anything that both partners enjoy doing together. It's a reminder that no matter how busy life gets, your relationship is a priority. In English-speaking cultures, date night is often recommended by relationship counselors and seen as a healthy habit for couples to keep the connection strong. It's not just about what you do, but the fact that you're doing it together and giving each other undivided attention. Let's look at how date night can be naturally incorporated into sentences. We have a date night planned this Friday. We're going to our favorite restaurant. Can you babysit the kids on Saturday? My partner and I need a date night. What do you usually do on date nights? You'll notice that date night can be modified by other words to specify when it's happening, like this Friday or on Saturday, and it can be a question about preferences or activities. Interestingly, the concept of date night can be adapted to fit different situations. For instance, family date night can be used when a family sets aside an evening to spend time together doing something special. Friend date night, or mate date, might be used jokingly or affectionately about an evening planned with friends. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our exploration of date night. It's more than just two words. It's an expression of commitment, love, and the enjoyment of shared experiences. We hope this has illuminated a bit of the cultural nuances of English for you, and you can bring the charm of date night into your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the life and culture behind it. Until our next video, keep practicing, and we look forward to our next learning date.